that you have your NEVERalone device, let us show you what's in the box. The user guide, the NEVERalone device, the belt clip, the wall charger, the USB cable, the charging dock, and the USB magnetic charger. This is your NEVERalone device. The device has 3 buttons. On the side, you'll see the top button has 1 bar. The bottom button has 2 bars. On the front, there is a large button in the middle for the SOS. Up the top, we have a speaker, and down the bottom, a microphone. On the back, you will see the device ID numbers and the charging contacts. There are LED lights across the front of the unit that indicate the device's status. The white LED is the welfare status light. The blue LED on the left is for satellite search and fix. The green LED refers to the device's GSM signal. The amber LED reflects the battery status. The blue LED on the right is for Bluetooth status. You have the option of wearing the device with the belt clip. Attach the device into the belt clip like this. It's also easy to remove. Otherwise, you can wear it on a lanyard around your neck. When you remove the device from the box the first time, or the NEVERalone needs to be powered up, first go outside, then while outside, press the top button. The device will start powering up and will take a minute or so to acquire access to the GSM network, acquire satellites, and get a location update. The double flash on the green GSM light in the middle indicates it's now connected to the GSM network. The blue light on the left indicates it is searching for satellites. After about 1 minute, it will have locked its location and you are ready to go. Press and hold the top button for 1 second. The voice prompt check-in will sound and the device will vibrate.
Check in.
Your updated location will be sent to the server. Remember to always check in again outside before entering a building. This will ensure your location is always updated on the server. To charge your NEVERalone, place the device in the dock. The device vibrates and gives the voice prompt to indicate the device is charging.
Your NEVERalone is charging.
An alternate method of charging is to use the magnetic charging cable. Attach it like this. The voice prompt will indicate the device is charging.
Your NEVERalone is charging.
The large SOS button in the middle, when pressed for 3 seconds, will vibrate to indicate that the event has been sent and acknowledged by the server. For an incoming call, the NEVERalone device can remain silent but will vibrate to indicate the incoming call. The device will auto-answer after approximately 1 to 2 seconds. The device will then have one-way only voice communication. Listen only.